Realme is back with a premium device. The GT7 Pro, no longer just a budget offering, but a flagship killer. Packed with cutting-edge features, global availability, and a design that stands out. Let's dive in. The GT7 Pro is IP69 rated, offering incredible protection against high-pressure, high-temperature water. Drop it in a jacuzzi, no problem. Plus, it has a dedicated underwater camera mode that works seamlessly underwater. It boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED screen with a stunning 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit color depth. The brightness can hit to 1300 nits, making it one of the brightest displays around, perfect for all kinds of media with HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support. Sound quality. Stereo speakers deliver impressive loudness with deep bass and clear highs, ideal for entertainment on the go. Running on Realme UI 6 based on Android 15, it comes with exciting AI features like AI sketch-to-image and motion blur removal in photos, though some features are yet to be fully ready for demo. Want more control? The IR Blaster lets you control other devices, and Realme promises 3 major OS upgrades and for years of security patches. With the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, performance is phenomenal: 30% better CPU, 20% better graphics compared to other flagships, and passive cooling to keep things cool under pressure. A massive 6,500 mAh battery powers through the day with 120W fast charging charge from 0 to 94% in 30 minutes. No wireless charging here, but that's fast enough for most. The 50MP main camera and 50MP telephoto camera capture vibrant, sharp images. While good in daylight, low light shots could be better. Still, the 8MP ultra-wide holds its own, and selfies are decent too. The Realme GT7 Pro offers premium performance, superb battery life, fast charging, and even a unique underwater camera mode. It's just shy of true flagship camera status, but still a fantastic choice for those looking for top-tier specs at a lower price. Thanks for watching. See you next time.